Hi guys, and welcome back to YouTube Tuesday. This is your Mooregirl. Hi, today I want to talk to you about a quick video on making previews. A preview is those little mini clips showing your subscribers what videos are coming up. So it's usually just like a television commercial. It's usually about 30 seconds to about a minute, just showing you what is expected, what's coming up, what is your video going to be about. It's not quite the same as the end screen, which is going to show you to another clip. I also do it in my outros. If you notice in my outros, I always talk about at the end of my videos, usually what's the next video is going to be about. If you notice, I hauled these lamps from IKEA about a month ago. So I'm just going to do a sample preview of what's going to go on. These lamps are hung. They're not quite done yet. I still have to do the cord and bling that out. But this is going to be for my bedroom tour. So I'm not going to show you everything. I'm going to show you those little sneak clips, those little mini clips. So it's also telling your subscriber that anticipation of your upcoming video. So you want to show that what's coming up, what it looks like, but you don't want to give too much away because that's the point of having a preview. You want the anticipation of them wanting and waiting for the video to come. I did a preview when I did my master bathroom tour, if you remember that. And all my subscribers like, stop teasing, Mooregirl. We can't wait to see it. So guys, that's exciting. And also you get more views. I noticed that when I did that, not only did the preview get a lot of views, so did my master bathroom tour and all the videos I did in between, because it's anticipation and they want to see the overall scene. So this is just like a quick tip, maybe something you may want to try. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute. And also our preview, don't forget, you need to add a title. Don't forget that. And then what is your title about? Add your transitions, and don't forget to add your music, because your music is going to set the mood and tone of your video. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you this really quick, how to do previews to show your subscribers your upcoming videos. All right, guys, this is your Mooregirl. I will see you at the next DIY video. Don't forget, I'll see you this weekend. It's your Mooregirl. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on making previews. Also, tomorrow is Goodwill Wednesday, so hopefully I'll find some nice Goodwill finds. This Saturday is half price Goodwill. So this weekend, I'm going to show you some nice Goodwill finds and I have a couple of reveals from last week. All right guys, see you at the next video. It's your Mooregirl.